All right, what's up, guys? This is kind of a testimonial to Hunter and his business program. How he's helped me a lot with my business. Not only that, but on a friendship level, of just helping me understand the basics of stuff and stuff like that. But yeah, I own a detailing company, and he's helped me gain numerous amounts of clients just through Facebook advertising and kind of learning the process of how to get your customers' attraction and keep it throughout your business for hopefully many more years to come. But yeah, just to give you an example of what we've done, we've ran around 4 campaigns just over the last month. The first one, I spent about $40-50 on it, and we got around 10 results, 10 leads, and that was all coming into the business with a lot more people messaging me. And then our second campaign, I spent around less than $150, and we got around 25 lead conversions, which probably brought anywhere from 10 to 15 clients into my business, automatically making it $1,000 plus within that week or 2 weeks. And yeah, I just want to give Hunter a huge shout out. And if you guys are on the edge of getting his program or anything, I highly suggest it.